Welcome back everyone. Now we are going to learn about transportation of food in plants. How food transported in plants. Well, there are two vascular tissues that do the process of transportation. Xylem tissue is there for transportation of water and minerals, and phloem tissue is there for transportation of food, which is prepared in leaf, and phloem tissue supplies it to each and every part of a plant. Okay, so transportation of food is known as translocation. Basically, translocation is transportation of food. The transportation of food from the leaves to other parts of plant is called translocation. And if we talk about water and minerals, then that is transportation only. But if we talk about the transportation of food, then that can be called as translocation. Okay, so translocation is transportation of food which is prepared in leaf, so from leaves to other parts of the plants, whatever the plants, like stem, root, fruits, branches, or then seeds, flowers, etc. Okay, so translocation takes place in upward and downward both directions. Look, food is prepared in the leaves, so leaves are found mostly on the upward part of the plant, and from this leaf it transported to each and every part of plant. So it is in the downward direction as well as in the upward direction of in other parts as well, where there are flowers or fruits, whatever there. So basically flowers and fruits are found in the upper side. So in each and every direction phloem carries food. You can see in this diagram there is a red line that is showing phloem tissue. So phloem also runs along with the xylem tissue. Wherever there is xylem, phloem tissue is also there. This is also a tube-like structure that carries food to each and every part of a plant. Okay. So phloem and xylem tissue together, it is known as vascular tissues. Vascular bundles, vascular tissues. So vascular tissues are the tissues that plays role in transportation of materials in a plant, and the main materials are water and minerals and food that is required by plant. Now the food which is prepared in leaf, that is taken by phloem tissue. Phloem tissue carries that food to all parts of plant, whether that is stem, fruits, flowers, roots, seeds, whatever the parts it is. So in this way translocation of food takes place in a plant. And now this transportation part is completed. A little bit is left in transportation, that is other than transportation in plant, that is excretion. We studied about excretion in animals and human being. So if we talk about excretion in plants, so there is not much excretory things are seen in plants, not much excretion takes place in plant, but still there are few substances which are excreted in plants, like gums, resins. These are the excretory product of plants. And the fruits which are जो mature fruits होते हैं या flowers होते हैं, after ripening and after spoiling it fall down, that is actually the excretory substance of a plant, the waste substance of a plant. Okay, so there is not much excretion seen in plants. I hope you understood this chapter, transportation of materials in plants and animals. And in plants this is not much complex, this is simple. Okay, and there is not any specific organ found in plant, but in plants transportation takes place through specific tissues. Okay, now you look at the screen.